Okay, let us begin. Which chapter we are in? Set off and carry forward. If you see that, but set off and carry forward and set off and carry forward of losses. Correct? Okay. Salary loss can be adjusted against nothing. There is no concept of salary loss. HP loss can be adjusted against any head of income including salary. In the year of loss, there is a ceiling limit of rupees 2 lakhs. In the subsequent year, the carry forward HP loss can be set up against only HP income without any limit. Okay, so the ceiling limit is only for current year. Okay, that is first thing, that is your HP loss. Then whether return of income to be filed compulsorily within due date to carry forward the loss of HP, not required. Then we move to next head of income, PGBP loss. There are many losses in PGBP. First one is normal business loss, can be adjusted against any business income including other than salary. Okay, in the same head of income, any business profit including specified and speculative also. We are talking about normal business loss. Then you go to another head of income, except salaries can be adjusted against HP, CG as well as IOS. Then subsequent year can be set up against only same head of income cannot go to another head of income. Can be carried forward for total 8 years. HP also could be carried forward for total 8 years. Return has to be filed within due date for normal business loss to be carried forward. Yes. Okay. Then it need not be continued business. It can be a discontinued business also. Then in the same head of income, speculative business loss can be carried forward for total 4 years. Can be set up against only speculative business income. Speculative is set or specified? Specified against only specified business income. Carry forward for what? 4 years? Indefinitely, not 4 years, it's indefinitely. Okay. And speculative can be adjusted only against speculative business income. Can you carry forward for 4 years? Okay. Then capital gain. There are two things, short term loss or long term loss. Short term can be adjusted against long and short gains, and long term can be adjusted only against long term gains. Other head of income, not allowed. Carry forward for total 8 years. Specified indefinitely, speculative 4 years, normal business loss 8 years, HP 8 years, and gains also 8 years. IOS, there can be a loss, there may be a loss. It can be set off against any. If you go to the next head of income, that means any head of income including salary. And what is a dead loss example? Dead loss. Gambling, card games, lottery. Their losses cannot be set off against any income. Similarly, any other loss cannot be set off also against their own income. Yes? Okay. 112A. 112 is LTCG. So now since it is taxable, even their loss can also be set off. Correct? From which one? Listed equity shares. Those losses can also be now set off. What transfer are you saying? Done. No? Something else also you were saying. No? IOS cannot be carried forward at all. It lapses. Correct? It lapses. Good. Okay. Miss Geeta's question we covered yesterday, I think. That was the last question. Sri Watson, Watson. Watson. 13, question 13, 1-3. Watson. Watson. हाँ क्या बोली बोलना तुमको कुछ आ जाओ Watson के पास. The following are the details related to Mr. Srivatsan. Question number 13. Age 57, resident, related to your ended 31 so and so. So and so. Income from salaries, HP loss. Loss from cloth business means what? Normal business loss. Very good. Income from speculation business, speculative income. Loss from specified business of 35 AD. LTCG on sale of urban land. LTCL on sale of listed shares in recognized stock exchange. STD paid. So when you say STD paid, what do you assume? It is written, it is recognized. That means it is listed. STD paid means paid at the time of purchase and sale. That right now assume. Okay. Loss from card games. That loss. Income from betting, gross. LIC paid. What to do of that? Chapter 6 is section 80C, deduction, compute total income, and show the items eligible to carry forward. What table we prepare? Losses and income calculation. Okay. Total income, taxable income. They are not using the word gross. No, that's we have to consider. Okay, go ahead. Prepare the table of loss and income. Yes. Prepare. Go as per the sequence of question. Okay. Don't go on finding incomes. Don't go on finding losses. Go as per the sequence of income. First figure is what? Loss from, not loss. It is in salary income. Did I tell you that is a favorite at times interview question? Which head of income you can adjust salary loss against?
Salary loss.
It was asked to our ex-student, ex means the recent batch only. Though principal, that partner of the firm, he told him, I'll ask you very difficult question, only one question, but very difficult question. Take your time and then answer. And then he said, which head of income you can adjust salary loss against? And then he said, there is no loss on salary. Because he was our student. So his concepts were absolutely clear. Okay? करूंगा ना खुद का भी आगे नॉर्मल बिजनेस लॉस नेक्स्ट वन speculative business income not loss sorry income it is yes I am writing in loss that is wrong speculative business did you understand speculation At times you guess, no? That is speculation. Then specified business loss. Specified business loss. तो वार्म अप कर रहे हो क्या? Then हाँ चलाओ ना फिर. Specified business loss. LTCG. On your urban land. Then there is LTCL. Yes or no? क्या ट्रैक्टर चलोगे इधर अच्छा उसका पीछे का रोको. Loss from card games we will not include in this table. It is dead loss. And betting income again it is irrelevant in this table. It doesn't help any other loss also. LIC is chapter 6A, not to be done anything over here. Yes everyone? Teja. Normal business loss. Salary. Yes.
No.
No. Good. Normal business loss. Speculative income.
HP.
HP. Where is SP? We missed it.
Yes.
I missed it. You didn't remind me. No? HP loss. Chalo. HP loss. Yes. Normal business loss.
No, yes,
No. Yes.
no.
No.
Any head except salary.
Specified business loss. Can be adjusted only against specified business. Do we have specified business? Very good. No. LTCL.
No, yes.
Very good. No, yes. Solved. In mind. So computation of taxable income. Done? जैसे डोको करता है इसका. Done. Computation of taxable income of Mr. Shri Vatsal for PY 1920 AY 2021. Particulars rupees. Yes, everyone. First, obviously, we start with the incomes. Yes, we are calculating taxable income, no? So, first figure, income from salaries. How much in our column? 2,20,000. Can we set off something? Yes. What?
HP loss.
Yes. House property loss. How much it is? 1,90,000 can be fully set off. You have to be very careful. Yes, there is a ceiling limit of 2 lakhs. Correct. Anything else we can set off from salary income? No. So this is 30,000 taxable salary. Correct. Again, standard deduction of 50,000 or 30,000. Yes or no? Standard deduction. It is computed. You have to understand that. These figures are the final figures from the head of income. Okay. Second, we have to go to the other head of income now. Which one? PGBP. Correct. Okay. Profits and gains from business or profession. What is the income we have in business? Speculative business income we have, yes? Speculative business. How much? 30,000? Okay. Can we reduce something? Yes. HP loss is already set off. So we can set off normal business loss. Less. Cloth, no?
Yes.
Cloth business loss. How much is that? 2,40,000. So we can set off only 30,000. Anything from the head of income? Any income now? No. Is there capital gains? Yes, no. 75. Okay, what is the income we have in capital gains? LTCG on sale of urban land or something? Correct. LTCG on sale of urban land. How much in our column? 2,50,000. What can we set off? LTCL. Good. How much is this on sale of listed shares? 1,10,000. Correct? Balance is
1,40,000.
1,40,000, correct? And less what? Very important. Cloth business loss. You have to always be careful whether some other loss is still remaining. How much was remaining? How much was the original loss of business? 2,40,000. From that you reduce 30,000, so remaining 2,10,000. But you can set up only again 1,40,000. Yes? Correct? Okay till here? Everyone? Next one. Now the next head of income is income from other sources, correct? Under that, what do you have? Betting income. Directly outer column. No adjustment to be done anywhere, no. Betting income is how much? 45,000. Okay. Therefore, what do we arrive at? Gross total income. How much? 75,000. Will you go ahead?
Yes.
So what is the final answer? Nil. Net taxable income? बोलो. Everyone got wrong answer means. GTA is correct answer. Na? Yeah, GTA is correct because we have solved not earlier, no? Chapter 6-8 deduction. You solved on your own. Very nice. काय?
Chapter 6-8.
पढ़ते हो तो ना, पढ़ोगे तो आएगा. मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि you should know. Life insurance premium paid, no? Check in your textbook. Not this chapter. iOS.
If it does not exceed 1,50,000.
iOS. I think I somehow told you also it is to be purely taxed. It will then loss, dead loss, no use of loss. Income cannot adjust any other loss. It has to be taxed fully at the rate of 30%. So we will not allow any other benefit to the casual incomes. Following or no? Casual income. Casual means not regular incomes. Betting, card games, horse races, all of that. From that income you cannot reduce chapter 6-8 deduction. Clear or not? This is there or not in capital gains also. Some income is in capital gains. Chapter 6 is not allowed. So you have to be very careful. Okay. We are almost finishing off all the chapters now. So those impacts will come over here. Okay. So chapter 6 is not allowed from casual income. Okay. So life insurance premium. How much is paid? 1,20,000 something. Correct. But this 45,000 is purely to be taxed. We cannot reduce that. Apart from that, what remains? Write down that, star mark it, highlight it. Chapter 6A cannot be reduced from casual income, that is betting, no? That is from betting income. Correct? Therefore, restricted up to remaining income. Did you understand this? Remaining income means how much? 30,000. No? Fine. What did we arrive at? Net taxable income is 45,000. Done? Now done. Point number notes. NTI of rupees 45,000 will be taxed at what rate? 30%. Very good. 30%. Under section? हो गया ना? Add what? Check करो. Add what? Health education cess at the rate of 4%. Which section? Only BB. Okay. BBE is what? Undisclosed. Good. They may ask you for 2 extra marks, tax liability. You may think taxable income is nil, that is first mistake. And second, even if you remember that it is just 45,000, you may put it in slab rates and say again below basic assessment limit no tax. Not like that. Flat 30% tax. Okay. Now you still have question answer remaining, no? You have to check now, but NTI is there. I think will not be allowed. Ask me again, please. But we'll confirm that. We'll finish off that story. We'll confirm for sure. But ask me after class. Okay. What else remains? Losses to be carried forward. Particulars? Only one? That business? Number of years to be carried forward. Under that. Now go as per question only. Don't go as per your answer. Go as per question. HP loss, completely set off? Yes or no? Yes. Normal, cloth business loss. Not fully set off? Originally it was 2,40,000. From there we first set off how much? In the same income, no? 30,000. Then from NTCG also we reduced? Correct, no? 1,40,000. 70 remained? How much remained? 70 remained, no? Is it current business loss, current year's loss? Yes, so for 8 years. Okay? up to 8 years. You want to calculate? Calculate. $27, $28. Anybody? Any other answer? Next one. Specified business loss. We didn't have income. That's why. Specified business loss. Very good. How much amount? Unnamed. It is indefinitely. Indefinitely. That's it. Anything else? Again, always confirm from the question. LTCL is done. 1 lakh 10. Card games loss. We have to write down that. 2 lakhs, no? Sorry, what 2 lakhs? 2 lakhs? Only 32,000, no? It is a dead loss. It is a dead loss. That is, cannot be set off and neither carried forward. Yes, everyone? Have you done question 6? Done? 5 and 6 both done?
Yes,
7 also done, no?
8, 9, 10, 11.
8. Compute GTI of Mr. F for the year. Net income from HP. Net means computed. Income from HP. Income from business before providing depreciation. STCG on sale of shares. LTCL on sale of property carried forward. Income from T business. Remove this word. Okay. Over there, in fact, you can write down, keep it as it is. Remove the word computed. Dividends from Indian companies carrying on agricultural operations. Current year depreciation because the business is before depreciation. We have given a figure. And brought forward business loss incurred 6 years ago. Find till here? Okay. Prepare losses and income. Again, go as per question. HP income or loss? HP income. Then business, normal business income. Then there is STCG, but LTCL, that is also brought forward. LTCL doesn't matter. Income from T business. Now here we have removed the word computed. It is total income from the T business. Then later on we will bifurcate into business and agri. So right now it is as good as normal business. Okay, it is income, no profit. Dividend from Indian companies, it is as it is. Exempt income, correct? No, dividend from Indian companies carrying on agricultural operation. How does it matter? Dividend is IOS, but it is from domestic company, therefore exempt. Current year depreciation will adjust it in your business income, and then you have brought forward, yes, normal business loss. So bichara LTCL gone, nowhere to be adjusted. Everyone said no to him, correct? So LTCL, HP, no. Normal business income, no. STCG also, no. And brought forward normal business loss.
Yes.
Where?
HP.
Only one S.
In business. It can be.
Because it is subsequent year, no? Now. Subsequent year only same head of income. Okay. So HP, no. STCG, no. From which year it is brought down?
6 years.
Acha, so 6 years. So where do we have? Acha. CG, acha, no, doesn't matter. Capital loss as it is not to be adjusted, correct? Okay, start. Computation of. Acha, we have current year, that is okay. Computation of taxable income. What is that? Acha, gross total income. Gross total income of Mr. F for PY 1920 AY 2021. Yes. Particulars rupees. Right figures. I heard some answer, correct answer.
293.
Okay. Start from the heads of income. First one, salaries can be set off. There is no salary income. So if you go to HP, income from house property. Has it said yes to anyone? No. So directly outer column, no? How much? 1,25,000. Yes or no? There. PGBP, profits and gains from business or profession. Fine. Under that, what all you have? Do we have normal business income? First, take the figures whichever are given to you. Normal business income is 1,35,000. First thing you have to do is provide for current year depreciation less depreciation, current year depreciation. Very important, okay? Before you set off any other loss, first provide current year depreciation. How much it is given to you? 26,000. How much balance remains? 1,09,000. Good. Less. Can we set off? Do we have any loss in the incomes?
Yes.
In the business category?
Business loss.
Business loss we have which one? Brought forward? So brought forward business loss. How much? 45,000. Set off?
Yes.
We can set off here also. Doesn't matter. Balance?
64,000.
64,000 just. Over here you have one more income. Income from tea business. Very good. So business component is 40% of gross is how much? 1,20,000 is 48,000. So 112. How much? Total, both of them? 1,12,000. Now everything done of the head of income, no? Yes or no? Brought forward business loss as it is now set up. So 1,12,000. Any other head of income we have? So capital gains. Under that, what do you have? STCG, yes. How much? It can set off nothing. So directly outer column. STCG, how much? 56,000. Okay. That is it. What is this figure? 2 lakh is what? Yes, gross total income. Any losses to be carried forward? LDCL, that is it. LDCL of rupees 90,000, no? 90,000, no? Can be carried forward for next how many years?
8 years.
For next 8 years is still 21.
More 2 years.
For 6 years.
6 years, 17, 18.
All the answers I am getting. So you have to understand the losses of which year, of which year it was brought from. PY. PY 16, 17, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Yes. We are in what? 19, 20, that is 5 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For next?
5 years.
That is it, no other notes? No other losses also remaining, no? Ninth one. Mr. Garg, a resident individual furnishes the following particulars of his income and details, etc., etc., etc. Income from salary only 15,000. Okay. Income from business before depreciation. LDCG on sale of land. Loss on maintenance of race horses. Loss from gambling. The other details of unabsorbed depreciation and brought forward losses pertaining to AY 1920 are as follows. Unabsorbed depreciation, loss from speculative business, short-term capital loss, compute total income and the amount of loss to be carried forward, etc. Those details. Yes? Huh? What? No. That is absolute. Just 1 year. Why? What are they using there? Brought forward losses. Brought forward, no? So it's brought, will bring back, will bring forward from the earlier year. No. That means immediately last year. Yes? Chalo. Loss and income. Which income you have first? Salary income? Normal business income? LTCG? So many incomes. Then you have race horse business loss. Race horse business loss. And then gambling loss. No need actually to write over here, but importantly, those brought forward losses, check. What do we have first? Brought forward unabsorbed depreciation. Then brought forward speculative business. And then STCL. Brought forward STCL. No. Done? Okay, race horse business loss. From where can we set off? Only race horse business income, so everywhere it is no. Gambling loss, no question itself. Or setting off. Brought forward unabsorbed depreciation can be set off from
Normal analysis. And against
any business. Is it there in the textbook or no? Any head except salary. हाँ LTCG is there. ये इसका चालू किया मैंने बताया था. So it only accepts salary. It can be, see, important is it can be set off against other income also, other head of income. Your regular business loss cannot be set off against other heads in brought forward cases, but depreciation can be. Okay, just highlight over here this one. Yes, a big yes over there. Brought forward speculative loss can be set off only against speculative income. Always yes or no. So speculative again is no. STCL only against LTCG or STC. So only there is one yes. Other are no. Correct. Okay. Next one. Go ahead. Computation of where are we? Gross total income. Right now. Computation of gross total income of Mr. Garg for PY 1920 AY 2021. Particulars rupees. First one, head of income. income from salaries. How much? Anything to be adjusted from salary? So directly outer column, 15,000. Second, business income. How much income? Before providing for depreciation, have they given you depreciation? Achha, that one, okay. Less. So we cannot imagine figures. So go ahead. Unabsorbed depreciation, how much? 11,000. As it is, there was only one set of over here of unabsorbed depreciation. Directly outer column, how much? 55,000. Then you have what? Capital gain? LTCG, no? Are we setting off something STCL from it? So LTCG is what? 10,800 less what? Brought forward STCL. How much? 9,800. So taxable is only 1,000. Done, no? So this is what? Gross total income. How much? 71,000. Notes. Losses to be carried forward. Correct? Particulars, that is the loss, then its amount and number of years to be carried forward. Number of years to be carried forward. Okay? First one. Racehorse business. Racehorse business loss. Is it current year business loss? Yes. Could we set it off? No. 15,000. How many years? 4 years only. Twenty-four. Correct? Everyone? Then again go back in the question. LTCL, loss from gambling. How much it is? 9,100. It is dead loss. Cannot be set off or carried forward. One more loss. Speculative. Remaining, no? Everyone? Is it? Current year, no? तुम लोगों ने सुना ना पर? तुम लोगों ने सुना ना पर? तुम लोगों ने सुना? सुना किसने? अच्छा, गुड वन, कीप इट अप. ऐसा बनाते रहो. Loss from, yes, brought forward from speculative business. How much it is? 22,000. Now this is for next 3 years. This one. How can speculative is total 4 years, 1 year already over. '22, '23. वो पागल फिर done. Next one. L10. Mr. A furnishes you the following information for the year ended 31/3/2020. Income from flying of vehicles as per books rupees 3,20,000. How many vehicles he has? 5 light goods vehicles. Which section? 44AE. Very good. Income from retail trade of garments computed as per books. Okay, so do one thing. We'll increase the figures now. Make it 1,21 lakhs, and over here make it 7,50,000. Just add 1 crore there, and of 1,50,000 make it 7,50,000. Okay. Which section?
44A.
Garment.
Then he has brought forward depreciation. Let it do a particular year, whatever. Okay. He deposited 70,000 PPF on 6/1/20 and 30,000 in 5-year bank FD. Both of them are eligible for 80C. Okay. Compute taxable income of Mr. A and his tax liability for the year with reasons for your computation. Now pay attention. You are asked tax liability, correct? Now, flying of vehicles or trade of garments, correct? Which sections could be applicable? 44A and 44AD, correct? That means which of that is your which one? Presumptive taxation. Are they taxed at a special rate? What rate? 6% or 8%. And flying of vehicles? 7,500 per month if they are for light vehicles. And for heavy vehicles? 1,000 rupees per ton per month, correct, or part thereof. That is tax rate. Very good. That is profit rate. That is not rate of taxation. That is rate of profit. You tax the profit. Slab rates, regular rates. It is not special rate of tax. It is special rate of income or profits. Correct? Are you following or no? Pay attention. If you make this right now 1,21 lakhs and you say 6% or 8% is tax. No. 6% or 8% is only income. Obviously, that is first income. Are you following here? Not directly tax. Very good. So we just change. It is now 1,21 lakhs, 70,000 and 7,50,000. Okay, till here. So we are going to calculate tax liability from both the point of view. If we take presumptive taxation or if we do not take presumptive taxation. Yes or no, as an assessee. Fine. So whichever is less, that we will prefer. Okay. Question number 10. In that we are taking first one, case 1. Okay. if presumptive taxation is opted. Correct? If presumptive taxation is opted. Computation of taxable income. Of Mr. what? A. For PY 1920, AY 2021. Okay. Particulars. Does he have many types of income? How many? Only two, no? That is both of them a business. So particulars and rupees. So profits and gains from business or profession. Under that, point number 1, income from plying. Plying means to and fro. Okay, I mean you're taking the vehicles on traveling purpose. For what? For transport of goods. Income from plying of vehicles. So under that, under section, which section? 44AE, no? How many vehicles he has? Which kind of vehicles? Light. Great. Very good. Presumptive rate is rupees 7,500 per month per vehicle. Okay. So rupees 7,500 into 5 vehicles for how many months have they given? Throughout. So 12 months. Yes or no? Give me the figure. 4,50,000. Fine. Next one, income from retail trade. Again, under section 44AD. Now, have they given cash or non-cash? We'll assume cash on a higher side, okay? Assuming entire sale is through cash, presumptive rate is good, 8%. Therefore, rupees 1 crore 21,70,000 into 8% is 9 lakh, no? 9,73,600. Give me total of both of them. 13 something or 14? 14 lakh 83, no? 600. What loss can we set up? Good, that is your referring. Depreciation. Brought forward depreciation. Very good. Which chapter are you checking? It is in PGBP. Okay. We had it. I don't know. गया क्या? And this one? ना वो मिल गया मिल गया. 0.25. Current year as well as unobserved depreciation cannot be, unobserved means brought forward, cannot be set off. Chapter 6 से allowed. क्या हो गया भाई? So we'll just write down the name, but we will not take any figure in the outer column. Less, brought forward, the same thing, unobserved depreciation. And star mark it, highlight. Not allowed to be set off. From presumptive taxation income. So outer column nil, no other adjustments remaining. So what do we arrive at? Gross. Total income is still 14,23,600. Correct? Can we reduce chapter 6A? So less. Chapter 6A deduction. Under that first one, section ADC. क्या? Both of them are allowed. PPF contribution and 5-year bank FD. PPF contribution and 5-year bank FD. PPF contribution 70,000 and bank FD 30,000. Total 1 lakh we are taking deduction. How much then we get at 13 lakh 23,600 is your net taxable income. But net taxable income, any problem with that? Let me write down the first. Compute the tax liability. Teja, hey Teja, jaldi kar. Tax liability calculations. Resident is given, age is given. Age is not given. Assume resident less than 60 years of age, 2.5 lakhs. Okay. At normal rates, basic income tax, I am writing in bracket to show as per the slabs. First 2.5 lakhs nil. From 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs, 2,500. What normal? You are just presenting it properly. 2,000? As per slabs from 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs at the rate of 5% is 12,500. Kind of. Then 1 lakh. And then 3 lakh 23,600 into 30% is I'll have to use my calculator. Come on. 323 600 into 0.3 is 9780.
Yes.
तीजा कुछ नहीं हुआ. 1,12,500 is 2,09,580. Correct? Add what?
Yes.
नमक शमक ऐसा. Health and education cess at the rate of 4% into 0.04 equals to 8383. हम किधर? Plus equal to 2,17,963 rounded off. 962. 288 A.
B.
So sweet, now you complete the sentences. Correct? 2,17,960. That is only part 1. We have done as per presumptive taxation. If we don't take presumptive taxation, we will do as per book profits. If we don't take presumptive taxation, we will do as per book profits. No. Both the cases we have to see whether to opt for it or not opt for it. If at all you realized, see, the 44 AE income is how much? 4,50,000. As per book it is less. Then retail is higher, but book is low. So there will be something or the other compensation happening that we have to see. Then again, unabsorbed we can also reduce that also. So that all we have to check. Yes. Check. Let us check. Case 2. Presumptive taxation not opted for. Okay. Fine. Particulars. Rupees. First one I am writing in short now, PGBP. Under that we have vehicle plying business. Correct or wrong? How much? 3,20,000. Are you following? As per books we are taking. And then, Teja, which business? How much income, Teja? 7,50,000. Balance with them. Balance means the 10,70,000. Can we reduce unabsorbed depreciation now? Yes, we can. Please. Here only it is less than 14 lakhs. Now how much? Here only it is less than the 13 lakh figure, no? Correct or wrong? Less and absorbed. Depreciation. How much? 1 lakh? Shh. So what do we arrive at? Yes, gross total income 9,70,000. Not 70. Yeah. First one. Section 80C. Total 1 lakhs. I am writing again in bracket. 70,000 and 30,000. 1 lakh. Teja. Tax liability. Not ready this time. Huh?
500 plus 4%. 89,960.
Okay, net taxable income 8 lakh 70 at normal rates up to 2.5 lakhs nil. From 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs at the rate of 5% is 2 lakh 50,000 and 5% is 12,500 and plus whatever is above 5 lakhs is at the rate of 20%, so 3 lakh 70,000 into
Plus 4%, 89,960.
Asud 74,000 correct only plus 12 is 86,500 yes. That is your basic income tax. Add yours and education cease at the rate of 4%. 86,500 into 0.04 is 3,460 plus equal to 89,960. Total tax liability. Done everyone? God, which question is solving? Next one. Notes, important now. Okay. Tax liability is low or lower. Tax liability is lower if normal provisions are applied, full stop. What is the effect of the same?
They cannot apply for taxation for next 5 years.
Okay, what else? Yeah. Since business income claimed is less than presumptive income, yes or no? Is less than presumptive income. Books of account as per section 88. 80. Very good. And tax audit as per section, yes, article sheet गुजरने वाले तुम्हारे इसमें article sheet will do this only. 44 AB will be applicable. And point number 2, presumptive taxation now they cannot claim for next 5 years. तेजा याद नहीं आ रहा? अच्छा. Presumptive taxation cannot be claimed for next 5 years. One small question before the break. What no? Very small. 11. Determine. Everyone there? God there, no? Determine the total income of Mr. Chan for the following from the following information. Interest received on enhanced compensation relates to transfer of land in the financial year 10-11. Out of the above, 65,000 relates to the earlier years, and the balance relate to preceding years. We will see that 4 lakhs is received in the current year. It is taxable on receipt basis. This means it is current year's income. Then business loss.
Year of taxability and year of receipt for taxable.
What did I say? Did I? Business loss relating to discontinued business of AY 10-11 brought forward. Discontinued business is not a problem. We will just have to check the years. AY 10-11 is PY 9-10. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Gone. Because of 1 year gone. Okay. Then current year business income. What is there? Nothing there. How much? Right now. Now let us not do the table. Just 3 figures are there. 5,10,000. Exactly. Computation of total income of Mr. Chan Chupa for PY 1920 AY 2021. Particulars. Rupees. Do we have to set up anything? Just mention that it cannot be set up now. Do we have current year income, business income as per the sequence of heads of income? Yes or no? Current year business income is 1,10,000 less brought forward business loss of PY. Watch. 9, 10. Lapsed in PY 18, 19. That means that was the last year of taking that loss set off. Therefore, 17, 18. PY 17, 18. 18 we did, no? Is it? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Correct. 17, 18. Therefore cannot be set off in PY 1920. So nil. No other loss. So directly outer column now 1,10,000. Second. Income from other sources. Correct? Under that point number 1. Interest on enhanced income. Interest on enhanced, compensation. Taxable on receipt basis. Taxable in year of receipt. And 50% deduction allowed irrespective of actual expenditure. Correct? So how much received totally? 4 lakhs, no? Directly outer column. 2 lakh. Therefore, total income. Three lakh 10,000. Fine. Nothing to be carried forward. Nothing. No notes. Okay. So take a break.